I look cute. I'm obsessed. Hey, I look cute. I'm obsessed. Let's get into it. Okay, let's get into the details of this hair. What's up, girl? My name is Mehi. Welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be talking about how to style cute curly clip-ins. Okay, so if you're interested on how I achieve this look, keep on watching. This is the cute pink box that the hair comes in and all the tools that come along with the hair that are actually super useful. To prep the hair, I made sure to wash it when I took it right out the box. I went through and washed it with some shampoo and conditioned it to make sure that the curls were popping. You can see the texture of the hair right out the box on the video in the top right, so washing your hair will definitely give you the best curls. Then lay them out to dry while you style your hair. I'm starting out the style on freshly washed hair. This is my natural hair with nothing in it. I'm gonna go in, put some leave-in cream, some gel, and really define the curls so that when I put in the clip-ins, it's just like absolutely beautiful. I'm going for length down here. Hair is about to be big, about to be beautiful, so stay tuned. So I've put up about half of the hair and got a small section to work with. I'm gonna go in with some warm water and spray that down a little bit to liven up the curls before I go in with my products and just work that water into my hair. I'm gonna go in with this curl defining cream. I've been absolutely loving this product, and this is what the texture of the product looks like. Super thick, and I really like it for my hair. So you want to go in and really define the curls because the clip-in curls are super defined, so I want it to match my hair because we're doing an all down style, so it has to match well. And this is what the curls are looking like. Go in with my Eco Styler gel just to define the curls a bit more before we move on to the next section. Small amount, go in and really work that product through. Curl pattern is given. You see the difference between my hair with no product in it and my hair with the defining products. This is gonna make a big difference when we're putting in the clip-ins. Absolutely gorgeous. So work that water in. I might have to do this for a wash and go. That's what it's giving. This is real cute. So this is half my head done. It is super defined. The curls are popping. When I put in the clip-ins, it's gonna be the best combo. Like, I can already tell. So this is what it's looking like up close. You can see the curl pattern. Super cute, super defined. This is exactly what I was going for. And my hair is super moisturized underneath the clip-ins and mixed in with the clip-ins and won't be dry. It'll be super moisturized, which is a big goal for me. Because ain't nobody want dry hair. That's not cute. Just look at the difference. This is actually kind of crazy, no? The power of water and some curling jelly and some curl defining products right here. For my girlies who are either beginner braiders or can't really braid, this will be the perfect way for you to try curly clip-ins because there's no braiding involved. All you gotta do is just define your hair before putting in the clip-ins. So super easy. So definitely a beginner friendly method. You know, I'm here for all the girlies, all abilities, all levels. I'm here for all of y'all. We're not leaving anybody out. So if you don't, know how to braid your hair yet, because you will learn, I have faith in you, or have somebody who can help you braid your hair, this will be the perfect method. Just go in, define your hair before installing the clip-ins. So this is good for all levels. Okay, I keep getting surprised, like with each section it just comes out better and better each time. Like, ooh, we got definition, now we need length. All right, that's what we're here for. It doesn't take me too long just because my hair is detangled and clean. Oh, I got a little carried away on that part. I was saying my hair is super defined and clean already, so it's not taking too long to do it. So you want to make sure that you're starting on freshly washed hair or clean hair so that the product, you know, goes in seamlessly and your hair is detangled, so it's easy to work with. You're not out here fighting for your life trying to detangle your hair when that shouldn't be the focus of the session. Oh, curl definition is eating. I wasn't, you know, looking for length this time around. I low-key would leave it like this, but y'all gotta come back. We might have to do a wash and go video, like just full. Now we got the base for our clip-ins all done. To start, I just started by putting my hair up and sectioning off a small part. And I'm going to take the clip-ins that have the 3 clips on them to start with. And this is what the gorgeous pattern is looking like. I did wash it and shampoo and condition it, and the curls are given. Like, take it in. Like, this looks exactly like my hair. Like, this is actually like, it just makes me kind of emotional. Like, let's get into it. So I'm gonna pop it, unclip them, and put them on. So all you gotta do is take it and place it on top of your hair and just clip it into your hair. And it is that simple, and that's it. This is what the length looks like from up here. So it does come down to around boob length, which is exactly what I was looking for. So super cute, and look at my little itty bitty hair tucked in here. So starting off with 3, I'll probably go for another 3, and then 4 clips, 5, and keep going. So when you get to about like 4 or 5, you should be at about like this part of your head. But you know, everybody got different hair sizes and head sizes, so it's blending in. So this is my real hair and this is the clip-in, and you can't even really tell the difference. Like, that's how well this hair is blending with my hair, and I'm super excited. Here, so I can cover that part, and some like this. Okay, can you see the moisture in my hair, like out the way? Okay. So next we're gonna do the one with the 4 that goes around your head. So I'm going to take the one with the 4 clips on it, and this is what it's looking like, and put that around my head, since we are now getting to the circular part of the noggin, right? So I'm gonna go in with the one with the 4 clips now. Actually 5 clips, can't count. So just gonna go all the way around like so. Pop it in. Now that we're at the top, it's time to apply the ones with the 2 clips, just because now we're going to start doing side to side instead of around the hair. The 2 clips look like this. Hair gorgeous as ever. Clip it in, and boom, it is that easy. Who's gonna tell me this did not grow out of my head? Like, this is super cute. Gonna just define this a bit. Gonna go in with some water, spray the clip in. Even with just water, like, she is already coming back to life. Like, look at that. The match is crazy. Like, check out the curls up close and personal, okay? And this is what the hair is looking like. This is the length. This is what it looks like in the back. Like, it's giving inches. It's giving inches. It's giving hair has grown overnight. It's giving, I have to, you know, go to the mall now just so I can be seen, let people see this hair. Like, I'm actually obsessed. Like, loved how this hair came out. The curl pattern and curl match is absolutely insane. Like, this is actually crazy. I am in love. And it did not take long to apply because I did the all down method. So all you gotta do is define your hair, part clip, part clip, part clip, part clip, part clip. That's it. It's all we gotta do, okay? So you can see it's like, all that movement, like, I'm actually obsessed. Like, I'm actually obsessed. I don't even know. I have nothing else to say. So Curlsqueen, you did your thing with this one. This is my hair officially. For the next month, I will be telling people, especially, you know, those who don't know how long my hair really is. I'll be telling them this is my hair. So if you know me and you've seen this video, don't say anything. Don't ruin it for the others, okay? I will see you in my next video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. I will leave the details to the hair and everything in the description box. Until next time, bye girly. We'll be right back.